Hi, I'm James Shillinglaw, and here I am the last day of ILTM Con, and we are interviewing wonderful hoteliers and luxury travel providers here. And the gentleman next to me is exactly one of those, and it's a place I've actually stayed at. Juan Carlos Cardona, who's the general manager of Banyan Mayakoba. Now, for those of you who are in luxury travel, if that sounds familiar, because many of us were down there for the ILTM North America for many years. It's moved now to the Bahamas, but it was a wonderful place to be for almost 9-10 years. And this property was amazing. It was one of the first places, actually was the first place I ever stayed for ILTM when it began at about more than 10 years ago. So we're going to talk to him and a whole lot more on Insider Travel Report. First of all, Juan Carlos, great to see you here. We're closing up the shop here.
Yes.
It's like we're the last interview on that.
Yeah.
It's great to see you. Now tell us a little bit about the property as it is today.
So the property, thank you, James, for having me, first of all. And the property has grown a little bit from the last couple of years. Now we add on 55 new suites on the ocean front. So you know that Banyan Tree has only villa product normally, but this time the owning company and the brand, we agree on doing some inventory at the beach, and this time we went to suites with pool, always pool.
All suite, that's amazing.
All suites in pool, yes. So that was an investment of $55 million plus the new beach club.
Okay, so you've had a lot. And how many total rooms now?
Now we have 161.
Okay, so you've grown a little bit since I was last there. And of course, one of the interesting things is that the Banyan Tree is kind of an Asian brand, and you have one of the only Thai restaurants I ever had in Mexico.
Indeed is the signature restaurant for all the Banyan Trees in the world, and particularly in Mexico, since day one, since the opening 15 years ago, it worked like a rocket. So we still have it. We always have a Thai chef. This time is from Phuket, the chef we have right now, resident. And every year, like always, we have the corporate chef coming, review recipes, and then we take advantage to do the Thai festival, which has been grown a lot through the years.
Fantastic. Now, I assume you have more than Thai, though. You have a lot of other restaurants as well, right?
Definitely. Total 6 restaurants, including now another new addition, a full kosher restaurant. Because we actually, getting out from COVID, we started to get some Orthodox Jewish travelers as well. So we had to accommodate, and then now it's part of the 6 restaurants. So together with an Italian, steakhouse, Mexican, seafood, and all the destination dinings around the resort, which are like more than 12 or 15 options.
And of course, you are part of the whole Mayakoba complex, which has a total of 4 resorts, if I recall. And there's even like a little Mayan village in the middle of that, right?
Absolutely. We have the Mexican village with the church, and a total of 31 restaurants, which you can actually cross-charge. It's a cashless resort where you can go actually back and forth at any of the restaurants to any of the hotels.
And of course, you have a wonderful golf course too, right?
Beautiful golf course. Used to be PGA and now Leaf. We signed the contract as well with Leaf for the next couple of years, and we're very, very excited to have the second edition of tournament next January, February. Will be the end of January to February.
Now, you told me a little bit about what's new with the property. Anything coming up for 24?
For 24, actually, the company is expanding. So we are about to open a hotel in Valle de Guadalupe, Ensenada, in the wine country of Mexico. That's a new addition. It's going to be a very small boutique hotel. It's called Banyan Tree Bella. It's a new wellness product for the Banyan Tree brand. And on 25, there's a second hotel, Banyan Tree Bella, but it will be in Bacalar, in the lagoon of Bacalar, South Tulum.
So you have those additions coming in. It sounds like Banyan Tree is becoming a Mexican company, the way it seems that they're building I always used to think of it as Thai and that's what your signature is. But I remember when I first came down, I had a wonderful dinner at the Thai restaurant in Banyan Tree, and we were down for ILTM, the very, very first one. This is the North America version, and it was an amazing place to be there. So hopefully one of these days I'll get to go back. Now, we go out to about 127,000 travel advisors out there. What would you like to say to them about the resort as it is today?
The resort, what I would like to say is the resort is that better than ever. I mean, we grew so much. The brand is so well recognized, not only in the States, which is our primary market, but as well in Europe and South America and Asia, obviously as a Banyan Tree. And that you cannot miss this new product. You cannot miss world-class service. You know that Mexico is one of the best hospitality services ever. So there's a perfect cocktail with a fantastic taste. So don't miss it. Have to come down.
Now, where can travel advisors go to get more information? URL, how do they get in contact with you guys?
Either straight to our webpage, which actually is one of the most easy ways to do it, is www.banyantree.com. And you can call straight to the hotel or through our partners, which are basically the luxury travel advisors.
Fantastic. Well, listen, thank you so much for you again could be my last interview today at ILTM. Congratulations on that. Congratulations for the two of us on getting through 3 days.
Absolutely.
It's been an incredible show, but we're kind of at the end of it now. But I hope the next time we meet and we do it, we'll do it from your resort down in Mayakoba.
Absolutely. Let's go in to celebrate, James.
Absolutely. We're going right now. I need someplace to go for New Year's. But,
Absolutely.
Okay. Bye. I'm James Schillinglaw, and this is Insider Travel Report.